bless you, stars. Let's talk about one tool you never knew you needed, and that's the retractable tape rule. The main features of this tape rule is one, its retractable design. Here, this tape rule can retract into a small casing when not in use, and this makes it easy to store and prevents it from damaging or from tangling. Two, it offers both metric and imperial units of measurement, that is the centimeter and the inches. Three, it is compact and portable, allowing you to fit it into a pocket, a sewing kit, or bag. Four, it is made of flexible materials, which allows you to curve around different body parts or irregular surfaces for accurate measurements. In summary, a tailor's retractable tape rule is essential for anyone working in sewing, tailoring, or crafts because it offers precision, flexibility, and ease of use in a compact, portable design. Finally, the tape comes in 60 inches and 120 inches. Thank you for watching. Go grab one for yourself and thank me later. Bye.